What's going on? So today I want to show you top 5 ways you can start today to make money online. Past 6 to 9 months have been crazy. The year 2020, it's been nuts for everybody. So I know a lot of people are looking how to make money online, and I just want to do my service right and show you guys a couple brief ways to do so. Now let's start with way number one, right? Affiliate marketing. This is pretty much the simplest way to make money online, right? Because all you're doing with affiliate marketing, you're essentially selling somebody else's product. So you don't need your own product. You don't need to pay for inventory. You don't need any of that stuff. You don't need to build a website. All you have to do is promote a product to people that are already searching for it, right? So in our example here, we have Amazon.com, right? So you can do the same thing for Amazon, Best Buy, Home Depot, Bed Bath & Beyond, whatever it is, right? Because they have whole plethora of different products. So what you're going to do with most of these websites is the same process to become an affiliate. Usually at the bottom of the website, here we go, it'll say right here, become an affiliate. So you go here, you sign up, you recommend the products, and then you earn commission. So when somebody buys it from your affiliate link, you earn a commission for doing so, right? And again, you don't have to do any fulfillment. You don't have to worry about products, about websites, about any of that stuff. You just, if you're active in local forums, let's say you're a fitness trainer, right? Let's say you're a trainer and you work with all your clients and you recommend products. Or like, hey, what's the best supplement to take? Hey, what's the best Nike? What's the best running shoes? What's the best fitness wear? When you send them those products, you send them affiliate links, right? So you're not only giving them products that you know, like, and trust, you use yourself, but when they get those products, you get paid for it, right? And you can do that with anything. So affiliate marketing is a great starter's way to make money online. Now, a second way to do so is by funnel building. This is a little bit more advanced, but obviously the reward is higher, right? You can make more money doing this, at least on a case-by-case basis. For each funnel you build, you charge more, right? And this is where you build essentially sales funnels for either service or product-based businesses. Again, you can go back to that same gym example, right? If you have a personal trainer that is looking to gain more clients, or even a gym that is looking to gain, more people that have either memberships, sell their actual products, or sign up for personal training from that gym, you can call them, you can offer to build them a sales funnel, right? Again, what sales funnels do, rather than a website where it's very broad, right? You can do a lot of different things with a website. Sales funnel is much more direct. So essentially, if you're looking to sell products from the gym, right? Like whatever product that may be, a supplement or a protein shake, whatever it is, you build a funnel for that product, right? And you can do this on ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is awesome because they have a bunch of pre-built funnels already. So you just essentially plug in what business you're working for. Again, this takes a little more skill and a little more time to learn. But as you can see here, it's very direct, right? There's the squeeze page, the sales page, the order form, the confirmation, and the thank you. So it's for one singular product. And if you go to ClickFunnels, there's going to be a whole training on how to exactly do this, right? So it's going to take a little more work, but it's another option for you. The third way is simply freelancing, right? So if you go to something like Upwork.com, let's check this out here, right? You can find jobs. You have funnel building jobs. You have, let's say you want to be a virtual assistant. Can't really spell too well. I think I spelled it right, yeah. Virtual assistant, cold caller. And you can make money, right? $5, $10 an hour, $3 to $8 an hour. It all depends. $20 to $25 an hour office assistant. If you want to make a little more money, Google Ads. Let's check this out. You post your job on this place, right? Ad buyer, $20 to $40 an hour. Lead generation consultant, $20 to $60 an hour. marketing strategies. So there's a lot of different things, right? If you're a photographer, if you're a funnel builder, you can put anything on there, right? So that's Upwork. That's just essentially freelancing, whatever skill that you wanna use. Another way to make money online, way number 4, is by doing digital courses. This way is really, really cool because it's essentially evergreen, right? Because if you have a digital course, it's always going to be out there. You just have to spend time to create it once. And you don't necessarily have to be an expert per se, right, in anything, but you just have to have knowledge and kind of know the basics, right? Because you're just teaching people. I mean, it's all right on the price that you want to pitch, right? So you can do digital courses for free. So for example, you go to a place like Udemy, right? Search anything. Let's just, for this example, free courses, right? Dun, 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 dun. See, 10 steps to an awesome sauce you. Like, these are all digital courses, right? Create your own website in 2 hours. It's free. Be an effective presenter. It's free, right? So you can create free courses. If you're a beginner, right, you can just gain knowledge and create something for free. And the way you can make money with that is you can actually do affiliate marketing. So you can have a free course that teaches you, let's say, how to build a funnel, right? Or secrets of model photography. But in the course, you also put, the secret for model photography. You'll put the affiliate links of the cameras that you suggest or recommend. So when people watch your free course and then buy the camera that you suggest because you know the camera works, right, you get paid for it. If you teach somebody how to build funnels, right, through ClickFunnels, let's say, and you use your ClickFunnels affiliate link as the software saying, click the link below to get access to this 14-day free trial or this free training, whatever it is, when they ultimately actually start building funnels for themselves and create a ClickFunnels profile, they'll pay every month for that software and you'll get your affiliate commission every month from that software. So there's many different creative ways to do that, right? So the fifth and last way to make money online is through YouTube. And this is the craziest one, I think, because it's like there's so much opportunity there. It takes a lot of time up front because you have to create a lot of content, but once it starts going, the opportunity is absolutely insane, right? Because you get paid from ad revenue, number one, but also you can do affiliate marketing depending on what your content is based around. You put affiliate links in your description, and the ad revenue, once you get enough viewers and enough followers to get those ads on your page, then you can start monetizing. So those are 5 ways that you can make money online starting today. I know it's very big and broad. I'm going to start making some more videos on getting into specifics from each of those ways, right? But I just wanted to show you and add this value and kind of open your mind to the possibility of the internet that is at all of our fingertips in this day and age. So I hope you enjoy that. Please smash the like button below, follow me, subscribe, and I'm going to start pushing out some more content. Let's help this algorithm. Let's help me get some more views, help some more people, learn these strategies because it's in huge demand, right? And I want to do my part and offer that knowledge and that value to everybody on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.